Nagtitake po siya ng mga herbal medications. But then, it didn't fail. Hindi din po nag-work. Okay. So, I am careful not to take any supplements or medications na hindi prescribed ng doctors ko. Except for this, tinanong ko rin naman po sa aking doktor. Sabi niya, yung mga supplements na yan, just like other food supplements, is good as long as you take care of your regular medication. Supplement lang po, as the word says, supplement. So I find this, last time na nag-take po ako ng medical clearance, yung HbA1c ko, yung blood sugar measurement ko, was bumaba po. Within sa level na I was able to pass yung medical examination ko. So because of this, acai berry. Thank you po.